Hello flower family, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Pam and I love all things art making, specifically heavy texture paint where I use pastry bags and piping tips to create my art. On this channel, you'll find some tutorials, process videos, and some art market vlogs, or at least I'm working on them. So hopefully by the time you see this video, I'll have some posted. It is currently April 20th. It's on a Saturday, and at the end of this week, we have another market or an art market. It'll be in Denton, and I've never attended this event before, but I hear it's really great. It's art specific, which is awesome, very similar to the one that I had at Garland. It is outdoors, so I need to prepare for the elements. And I'm really hoping that the weather holds off. We're supposed to get some rain this week and some high winds, so fingers crossed that we have great weather for that day. Right now, I've been working on preparing more pieces for that event. I have lots of things all spread out. That's why you are in my kitchen right now, because the studio is quite a bit of a mess. Not quite sure what I'll be filming. I'm trying to do my best to get as many prepping involved into this video, but you might see this intro into the setup of the art market. So I'm not sure. Hopefully I'll keep you updated a little bit better, but thank you for coming along. I need to get started. I'm going to grab some coffee and let's get to it. Once I've selected the flowers and the colors that I'll be using for this particular bouquet, I'll start playing around with the composition. It's sometimes this process that takes me the longest because I like playing around with the arrangement of the flowers and deciding where they go. If a particular flower isn't working well with the arrangement, then I'll select a new one in the same color scheme. Once I have an overall idea on what I want the bouquet to look like, I'll start working with the background. Sometimes that includes a vase, like the one I'm doing here. Once the vase is complete, then I'll add other background details like the filler flowers such as baby's breath and any other greenery. Hello, I'm hopping on to give you a little bit of an update. Today is Sunday, April 28th, and if you're wondering what happened to the Denton Festival vlog, well, it was postponed. So we've been having some inconsistent weather here, and they thought it'd be best to postpone the event. We're hoping that they're going to reschedule, but we haven't heard anything back. Right now, I have been just trying to get as much done. I wasn't anticipating this time off, so it's been a blessing. I was able to edit and post my first ever market vlog. So if you're interested in watching that, I already have that up. And now I'm just going to continue trying to get more things done today. I have some completed pieces that I need to add the hardware onto. And if you were to ask me what are my least favorite things about the art making or the creative process, and that would have to be prepping the surfaces like canvases and wooden panels, and then adding the hardware on. So I'm not looking forward to that, but I know it needs to get done, so I'm going to do that today. On top of that, I am needing to prepare some things for school. So the last month of school, we're working on a weaving unit with my upper grades 3rd through 5th, and so there are some looms that I need to prepare for that. And I think that's about it. I have another festival coming up in about 2 weeks. And so I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tack everything on. So the little bit of the intro that I did for the Denton event, I'm holding on to, and then I'm giving you an update about it being postponed. And I think I'm going to lead that into my next event, which is another city event. I'm looking forward to that. I haven't attended this event before, so I really don't know what to expect. It's another outdoor event. I believe it's another art in the park, and I really like attending those type of art specific events. So I'm looking forward to that. That's in 2 weeks in May. And then right after that event is another city event that is about an hour or so away. So I have 2 events back to back in May, and I'm hoping the one that's been postponed, they'll reschedule. So hopefully I'll have that one as well. Thank you for coming along on this journey. I know it's kind of just a modge podge of different things. Not sure what else I record or will record, but I'll keep you updated with any progress. I just recently started getting into piping these tulips with these curved petal piping tips. There are piping tips called Russian piping tips that are specifically ones that can do tulips. However, when I first started this journey, I found them to be really hard to use, and I'm still getting used to the mechanics of them. However, I like these better because I feel like they're not as uniformed and there's just a little more liveliness and shape to these. You'll find a list of the supplies that I use down below if you're interested. Hey, it's art market day, and today the Hubs is in town, so he's able to be here and help set everything up. I've mentioned this before, but this is a quick tent. It's an easy pop-up tent that could be set up by 1 person, but 2 always makes it easier. A lot of the displays that you'll see here are very similar to the ones you've seen in past videos. I haven't upgraded anything yet, and I plan to do so soon. I just need to save up more before I do so. There are these beautiful mesh panel display walls that Flourish sells, and I know that they are quite an investment. So that's something that I'm looking into. If that is something that you currently have and would like to give me some information on that, do you like them? Are they worth it? Just let me know in the comment section below. But it's something that I've been looking at and considering, and I think it would be a great addition to what I have already.
Passenger side, I couldn't be your sunshine. We're up in the air, but I'm down for the ride. I couldn't be your sunshine. Yeah. Every time you get in line, baby, give me a raise. Give me a raise. Every time you get in line, living for lazy days, up in a daze. Ooh, driving down the 405, never feel so alive. Yeah. Ooh, every time I'm all alone, can't help but pick up the phone, and I'm ringing it for you. And I'm ringing it for you. Driving real fast and I'm feeling alright. I could be your sunshine. Not gonna stop until we collide. I could be your sunshine. Every time you get in line, baby, give me a raise. Give me a raise.
Hi everyone, doing a quick check-in here. It is around 11:18 and there have been a few sales and some really great encounters. I came across some sweet lady that was getting a bunch of keychains because it was for a teacher gift, and I was like, oh, as a teacher that really means a lot. So that was really, really sweet. All right, so really great so far. Weather is amazing, having an awesome day. So I'll try to get back to you guys with some more updates later.
Don't you ever dare turn this car around. Never wanna.
Hi guys, just popping in for a quick update and just let you know things are going great. It's about 1:30 and I have a lot of interactions and people coming into my booth, which is happening right now. Hi ladies, how are you today? Oh, oh, that's so nice. That's so kind of you.
All alone, can't help but pick up the phone. Had a ring for you. Had a ring for you.
Hello, Flower family. I'm here to give you an update and a recap on the festival. As I was editing the vlog, I realized that I never gave you an outro or a recap, so here I am. It is June 5th. I am on summer break, and I'm trying to catch up on all those spring markets, so that's why you're seeing them weeks and weeks behind. I figure better late than never. I'm trying to think back on that festival. I remember that it was just a really great park. We were set up in a really nice environment. There was a lot of incredible vendors, and just the overall interaction with the customers were great, and people stopping by and saying hello or just engaging in my art and asking questions. So it was just an overall great experience. I have some numbers here, so I'm looking down at my notes. In Square, we made $918.69. In cash, we made $53. Our booth fee was $50. So everything totaled with taking the booth fee out, $921.69. And again, whenever I attend these events, I never know what the outcome will be. And whenever there is something like this, I'm just so appreciative. I know that not everyone has the discretionary income to purchase things like this. So when it does happen, it's always greatly appreciated. Out of the items that sold, I had 14 keychains, 13 magnets, 6 3x3s, 1 4x4, 5 5x5, 1 5x7, 2 6x6s, and 2 floral kits. Also at that event, I had a sweet friend, Amber, who I met on social media, come and stop by. We have been interacting just a little bit, and she realized that we live in the same area, and she asked me, when is your next event? And so I told her, and she's like, oh, I'm going to stop by. And I said, oh, that would be awesome. And I never thought that she would, but she stopped by with her sweet kiddos and her husband, and she came out to support me, and it was just so sweet. I didn't expect it at all. So Amber, if you're seeing this, thank you. I really appreciate the time that you took to come and see me and support me. Well, I think I'm going to end the video here. I just wanted to take the time again to thank you for supporting me on this journey. I really hope that you found these videos helpful and inspired you in your own creative journey. Until next time, bye!